Hey guys, Thomas here and welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how to use any keyboard switch on your PC. So basically this is a program called Mechvibes. It basically makes it so you can use any keyboard switch like in a software, so it gives you the sound playing through your headphones of a switch. And today I'm going to show you how to get it. Alright, so it's pretty simple. Just type up Mechvibes on Google and look at the top one. It should be Mechvibes. Alright, so this is the website. You literally just go to the download part at the top. And then it should say current version 2.30 or releases, just use the current version. You can join the Discord server if you want to, but for Windows 7 or later, make sure you use the 64-bit if you're using a Mac, Linux, stuff like that. But yeah, we're going to be using that, so let's click on that. I already have this program, but we'll install it again. Right, so it might take a couple of seconds to download. Just click on the setup. Alright, so a quick install. It's installing, obviously. Just setting up, just let it do its thing. And there you go. It's easy as that. But yeah, basically this just means that you can use any keyboard sound you want. These are the ones that it actually comes with. Cherry Mix Black with ABS, obviously PBT, blues, I don't know why you'd want to use blues, it's disgusting, but browns, reds, purples. Personally, I'm like the novelty creams. I'm probably going to be getting a keyboard with novelty creams later on this year. The Oreos are also a really good option. These ones I quite like as well. I'm going to play a little typing test for you so you can see. This is a Taupe Purple Hybrid with PBT keycaps. Yeah, that's those, and then the novelty creams. There you go. Personally, I just find them really clean, so I'd recommend those highly. The Oreos sound pretty good. Personally, not my type of switch, but I understand it sounds really clean. Crystal Purples. Yeah, that's Crystal Purples. Cherry Mix Red with PBT keycaps. Obviously with PBT and ABS are going to sound different. So that's the Cherry Mix Reds. Personally, I think they sound better. Alright, so let's go into the browns of PBT. I don't like browns. Browns are just disgusting. ABS browns. They sound a lot different with ABS than PBT. Alright, so this is Cherry Mix Blues with PBT. This is going to hurt your ears, watch out. I apologise, that probably was very painful. But yeah, these are the blues with ABS. Yeah, and then the Cherry Mix Blacks with PBT. Personally, I really like the sound of the MX Blacks with PBT. I'm not a big fan of the ABS, but I'll show you that now. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that, but you can use literally any one of these you want, and if you want more of them, you can go back onto their website and have a look at that. You just click on this, more sounds, and there's more sounds that you can install, more switches. But yeah, I'm going to go back to the novelty creams, and just feel really nice, you know? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments section what switch is your favourite, and I'll leave the download link in the description. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video.